Masimange. I hope you are all doing great. I'm doing fine. So my topic today is about the things people don't tell you about living alone for the first time. I'll just point out a few things I think you should know these things. First, you are going to have the worst peaceful moments. You heard me right? Yes, there are those times that you feel lazy, you don't feel like putting anything where they belong. You just feel lazing around, you feel like messing around. It's acceptable. No one is there to scream at you, do this, do that, do this. No. You can be as messy as possible, and then you have to figure out that you have to clean your own mess. The place is not gonna clean itself. No. If you're used to someone cleaning your dishes, doing your laundry, scrubbing the floor, the shower, you have to do these things yourselves. You don't want to wear that pair of trousers you don't like. You have to do the laundry. You should probably wash those dishes because they are starting to stink. Number 2 is that clothes become irrelevant. Who needs clothes when they are living alone? This is how it starts. You start wearing pajamas and then you feel like it's not very comfortable. You start to wear shorts. You wear shorts for a period of time and then you start wearing very, very short shorts. Then you realize that is not working for you. You wear very baggy t-shirts and then you later realize you don't need any of those. You are perfectly comfortable with your natural suit. Yes, like the way they lived in the Garden of Eden. No one needs clothes when they are living alone. Not me. I don't know about you. The other thing is that things become so addictive. I'm talking about the couch, the blankets, Netflix, the snacks, the movies. You become so addictive of them. This is where you transform your couch into your bed. And you realize you didn't go to bed only when you hit the ground. It's part of being alone. It's part of being alone. The other thing is entertainment. You are going to find ways to entertain yourself. No one is there to entertain you, and you need entertainment. You need to kill the boredom in the house. You need to dance a little. No one tells you that you are going to talk to yourself. Yes, you are going to talk to yourself way more than you think. You're going to call yourself for meetings. Another thing is that you can no longer hold on to the sweet, beautiful melodies of expression. Yes, I'm talking about singing. You can sing at the toppest of your lungs, in the shower, in the house, everywhere around, without no one telling you to shut up. Or you have a rough voice, you'd better shut up. No, it's my house. You can sing whenever you like, whatever you like, at the toppest of your voice. You are going to hear voices in your house. You are going to see shadows. Not anyone's shadows, but your shadows are going to scare the hell out of you. I don't know where these voices come from, but you're gonna hear them. I don't know if this has happened to you. You left the door open and the wind pushes the door and it makes a sound, and then you're so sure there is someone in the house, or there are some ghosts. You later find out that they are imaginary voices. Yes. The other thing is bills. You have no one to split your bills with. It's your house. You make the rules, you pay for the bills. When you do all the things you do, remember you have bills to pay. The electricity bills, the water bills, the house rent, insurance, and any other. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Kindly leave a comment about the things you found out after living alone for the first time. Remember to subscribe, to like and share for more upcoming topics. See you on to the next topic.